Welcome back to Wow's Wedding Talks, where we talk about love, life and everything in between. ఇన్ని రోజులు మన పాడ్కాస్ట్ లో వెడ్డింగ్స్ ని క్రియేట్ చేసే వాళ్ళతో మాట్లాడాం. కానీ ఇవాళ మన కాన్వర్సేషన్ వెడ్డింగ్ క్రియేట్ చేసిన వాళ్ళతో కాదు, వెడ్డింగ్ ని ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ చేసిన ఒక బ్రైడ్ తో. అండ్ నాట్ జస్ట్ ఎనీ బ్రైడ్, లెస్ దెన్ 3 months కింద పెళ్ళైన బ్రైడ్ తో. అంటే వెడ్డింగ్ హ్యాంగ్ ఓవర్ ఇంకా పోలేదన్నమాట. టుడేస్ గెస్ట్ యాక్చువల్లీ గెస్ట్ అని చెప్పలేము, షీఈస్ మోర్ లైక్ అ ఫ్రెండ్ నౌ. And she's someone whose wedding you've probably seen all over our Instagram. And someone who's still close enough to the experience to remember exactly how it felt when years of imagining finally became reality. So let's find out. But this one, I don't want to do it like a regular podcast. I want it more like a girl talk. I love the one. ఈ మైక్స్ కూడా అవుతుంది. కొంచెం ఫుడ్ కూడా ఉంటే బాగుంటుందేమో. It's perfect now. I love it. I think I'm ready now. Now let's call Monica.
It's such a rush. This is more than a crush. Got me feeling so luxe. I think you're gonna love it like I love it.
Okay, welcome Monica. See, you don't even know how to react now. Suddenly after these many meetings, inni prep meetings ayi shoot chesi, I think now you're more experienced in facing the camera than me.
No, that's not true.
You're all over the internet and everything.
That's because of you guys.
So we didn't wanted to have ఏమంటారు ప్రాపర్ ఫార్మల్ ఎపిసోడ్. అందుకే కొంచెం సెటప్ చేసి థాట్ విల్ మేక్ ఇట్ లిటిల్, బికాస్ ఐ థింక్ విత్ యూ it's కొంచెం కష్టం only for me to sit and be very formal. ఎన్ని months నుంచి మాట్లాడి
Yeah.
we've become more of a friend now than anything.
Yeah.
And the number of common connections that we have is insane. Let's have food. First have some coffee. Sorry,
Right.
I've been అలా మాటలు మర్చిపోయి. And this is your favorite shawarma. Monica loves shawarma. Hyderabad misal.
Yeah. This is the first thing I eat.
So tell me about this. నేనైతే చిన్నప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ థింగ్ ఇంట్లో ఎవ్వరు లేకపోతే ఫస్ట్ అమ్మ చీర తీసేసుకొని ఫుల్ కట్టేసుకొని జస్ట్ లుక్ ఇన్ టు మై మిర్రర్ అండ్ దెన్ ఫీల్ ఆఫ్ లైక్ ఓ వావ్, దిస్ ఇస్ హౌ ఐ వాంట్ టు బి లైక్ దట్. వర్ యు ఆల్సో దట్ చైల్డ్ యాజ్ ఎ కిడ్?
I was, but it was not saris for me, but it was the veil for me.
Oh
Yeah, so as a kid, I used to have this red lehenga on my top. I was 3 years old and I wore it on my birthday.
Okay.
So I still have those pictures. Itla veil eskoni, itla petkoni. I used to like, itla shy feel aitunnattu pictures digadam and all that. So it was the veil for me and not the sari.
Oh
Yeah. I think I sent you that picture.
Yes,
right? Yeah,
yes,
that's the
yes,
red.
you have a picture.
That's the red dress.
You
yeah.
see that? The episode. Oh, I didn't know that this particular picture had so much story.
Yeah, it was my 3rd birthday actually.
Oh.
And I used to love red and unexpected. I know we'll talk about it. I also wore red on my
Red.
wedding day.
Oh,
Yeah, and that has a very long story.
అవునా?
Yeah.
Story for it?
Yeah.
అప్పుడు ఎందుకు చెప్పలేదు మాకు మరి?
I was serious. I was serious.
Monica is smart like that. So did you okay, the veil part, yes, it's very very cute.
Yeah.
Were you always this child who dreamt of growing up, getting married? Did you imagine అంటే మాకెలా అంటే పెళ్ళి అంటే ఓకే నాగార్జున లాంటి ఒక పెళ్లి కొడుకు లైక్ దాట్ అండ్ ఆల్, అండ్ దెన్ ఎలా ఉంటాడు పెళ్లి కొడుకు ఇస్ ఆల్వేస్ క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్.
Yeah.
బట్ సంగీత్ ఇలా ఉండాలి, డెకోర్ ఇలా ఉండాలి, ఇవి ఉండాలి, దిస్ ఇస్ సారీ ఐ వాంట్ వేర్, దిస్ ఇస్ జ్యువెలరీ ఐ వాంట్, ఇవన్నీ ఉంటాయి పెళ్లి కొడుకు తప్ప.
Yeah.
So what was your scene as a చిన్నప్పుడు child?
Same. I think for me, it was Sangeet.
Oh,
Whenever I used to listen to songs, then ee song ki matram pakka dance chestunna.
so much me, even I used to do that.
I used to have big list,
Okay.
but when it came to my Sangeet, I didn't have any songs. I'm like, with what song should I dance on? Until your mind goes blank.
Right.
So that was the scene for me, you know. I had so many lists. Idi dance chesta, adi dance chesta, idi pakka cheyali anukunna, but yeah, I didn't remember any of those songs.
Oh.
It was always the Sangeet,
Oh.
you know, dancing. I love to dance.
Mhm.
So I always wanted to give my best in my Sangeet. I don't care how the groom is, but I'll dance. So it was like that.
Did you have a picture for groom at least? Adana undinda?
Actually, no.
Yeah.
I can't.
But
can't.
పెళ్లి important.
Yeah, I never like imagined like how he would be atla. But I had like కొన్ని ఉంటాయి కదా, tall ఉండాలి,
Right.
ఇట్లా ఉండాలి, like so those were కొన్ని things ఉండే.
Okay.
Yeah.
All is double tick.
Yeah.
As a child, you said Sangeet was one part where you always dreamt of it.
Yeah.
What was the non-negotiable part? ఏదేమైనా సరే ఇది కావాల్సిందే. This is what Monica wants. The little Monica wanted for her wedding.
Honestly, family ఉండడం. Until like I always had this fear, like I want everybody, like whomever I love, I want all of them to be with me.
Oh.
So I think that was the biggest thing for me. Chinnappudu
That's so
nunchi I
sweet.
hope everybody witness, like my amma, my nana, I want all of them to like witness my wedding. So I think that was like a non-negotiable.
That's
So that is something I prayed for too, like I hope everybody like stays with
Okay.
me, yeah, during the
Nice.
wedding.
That's why we were thinking మొన్న కూడా when we knew that you were coming, it's like ఎన్నిసార్లు వస్తుంది పిల్ల ఇండియాకి. Then I got to know that you're so attached to your family, and then when I was watching your videos and all, where you got emotional and all.
Yeah.
So we were ఎలా ఉంటుందంటే అప్పగింతలు వీడియో చూస్తున్నాం అనమాట. And then you were crying. Then నేను ఎప్పుడు I was never far away with from my parents, so I could never relate how it was.
Yeah.
So I was thinking, brides వేరే కంట్రీస్ లో ఉంటారు కదా, వీళ్ళకి ఎనీవేస్ మళ్ళీ ఇట్స్ లైక్ going back from a vacation or wedding is big episode.
Yeah.
But it's మళ్ళీ అలాగే కదా, అప్పగింతల్లో సడన్ గా అది ఎలా వస్తుంది అంటే మోనికా సో అటాచ్డ్ టు హర్ ఫ్యామిలీ, దట్స్ వై షీ కీప్స్ కమింగ్ టు ఇండియా. ఊరికే వచ్చేస్తుంది.
And also I meet my parents every 3 months. I don't think I've never like stayed away far away for them for more than like 3 months or 2 months. So yeah. And Appagintalu also, I didn't think I'm gonna cry, like, to be honest, but it's just emotional.
Yeah.
My dad started crying.
Oh.
And I think that's where everything started. And I don't cry. And surprisingly, my mom didn't cry. My mom's the one who usually starts first, but she didn't cry because mom made us think I'm done. Like, I'm like, no, I'm not.
Most chill moms. She was as excited as you were for the entire wedding. I think she just stood in the first, and I think she managed so much.
Yeah. And the question about organizing, I think if my sister and mom, they'll listen to this, they'll laugh because I'm not the one who's organized. I think it was them.
Oh.
So my sister and my mom, they do everything. Ante, of course, like, decision is also mine, but mom is a fashion designer.
Oh, wow.
So she already has that eye for everything on Mata. So I think all the credits goes to like my mom and my sister.
Before getting married, I think we dream a lot about this. ఇది కావాలి, అది కావాలి,
Yeah.
ఇది చేయాలి, అది చేయాలి, ఏమో అనుకుంటాము. And was there anything that nobody prepared you for?
To be very honest, I think I prepared myself even before someone told me something. Ante, I didn't wait for someone to like come tell me something. You see those Instagram reels,
Right.
5 things you should know before you get married, before your wedding day. So I was like going through, I did my research, to be honest.
Oh, wow.
So I was very like, my mind was very prepared, okay, if things go wrong, things go wrong. So I was prepared like that. So I wouldn't say there was like one point I was not prepared for. Atleem lekunde, to
That's
be
why I
honest.
called you an organizer. Right? You are one of the most genuinely, because by the time we met, I think you had your mood boards ready,
Yeah.
and then you knew what you wanted very clearly.
Yeah.
Very clearly, every bit of it. I want this color, this is everything. Only clear ga undindi. So how did you like you said, it's amazing that you knew everything, whatever you wanted, and did you plan your mood boards lagana? So how did you use apps? What did you guys, what did you do?
Yeah, I used Pinterest a lot.
Okay.
So whenever, like, chinnappudu nunchi ante, if I come across anything, like even before Harivansh came into my life, I had couple photos saved.
Oh.
Ochinanka itla digali, atla digali. So I was always that person who loved clicking pictures.
Oh.
And I love clicking pictures, I love that creative side. So eppudu nen couple photos save cheskuntunde, ochinanka I have to click like this, click like that. So Pinterest was the biggest thing, and then a lot of YouTube videos I used to watch. I follow a lot of photographers. So yeah, I really like those aesthetic pictures and all that. So that's how I
That's
kind
so
of
cute.
like, yeah. I think eventually I got that eye, for photography and all that. So,
Planning your mood boards is so important. Just
Yeah.
you don't have to get into very complicated apps and everything. Start
Yeah.
off with Pinterest. That itself is fine.
Oh, no.
Create a
Yeah.
board. Just drop all the pictures that you like
Yeah.
into that board, and then you're started.
Yeah.
Decor kinta, pictures kinta, and then saris ki, jewelry
Oh,
ki.
no, yeah.
It helps so much, not just the brides, but for us also to understand what we should create for you. Because see, as photographers, as creators, we have multiple styles.
Oh.
ఒక చాలా జానర్స్ ఉంటాయి చేయాల్సినవి బట్ ఆ ఉన్న కొంచెం టైంలో ఈవెంట్ లో ఆబ్వియస్లీ వి డోంట్ కంపోజ్ ఎనీథింగ్
Yeah.
వి డు నాట్ ఐ మీన్ ఎలా వి డాక్యుమెంట్ ద రియల్ స్టఫ్ దట్స్ హౌ ఇట్స్ సపోజ్ టు బి
Yeah.
బట్ పోర్ట్రేట్ సెషన్ లో వెన్ వీఆర్ టాకింగ్ అబౌట్ కంపోజింగ్ అండ్ కాన్సెప్చువలైజింగ్ ఇలా 4 ఉంటే మేము మీద ఏది ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్
అవును.
చేయాలి ఇట్స్ రిస్కీ థింగ్.
Yeah.
So if we have an idea of what your mood boards is, what Monica likes, what Harivansh like, what what are you okay with, what is a no for you guys, it's more easy for us to create so much good content for you. So
Yeah.
you're aligning properly.
True.
That's why I keep telling all my friends, you have to have your mood board.
Yeah.
Just dump your references as many as possible.
Yeah.
The more you have references, the more you have ideas. Sit with yourself. I think it helps us also more.
Yeah, for sure. I agree with
That's
that.
so cool. That's nice. Before getting married, what did marriage mean to you?
I think I was always an old school person. I always thought about going home to someone or waiting for someone to come home. So, so the idea of marriage for me was very fascinating, to spend the rest of your life with that one person.
Okay.
So I always had that clarity in my mind.
Okay.
Marriage is a beautiful thing more than there was no negativity about marriage for me. So that was my perception since I was a kid. It's just a beautiful thing that happens in your life, and I think it's the most important. Everybody has different
Yeah.
perspectives, but for me, it was most important.
Right. So, what were you so excited about marriage? And what were you very nervous about marriage?
Yeah, as I mentioned, just coming back home to that one person. So I used to live alone during college and all that. So until every lights on, just there used to be nobody.
Oh.
I'm like, okay, within a couple of years, I'm gonna have someone. So that is the most, what I'm
Okay.
looking forward to the
Mm.
most. That is one thing, and building and growing together. Ante, I feel like if you have a significant other, you have so much strength rather than doing it alone.
Yeah.
Until if it goes wrong, it's gonna go wrong, but I'm gonna have someone to share it
Yeah.
with. So I think I was excited to start on my passion after marriage because I have someone and Jabbi.
Okay.
So bhayam untadi. Okkadan chesinapudu bhayam untadi. But when you have someone, you have a strength.
Right.
So I think that was the biggest thing. Now I can do whatever I want. And freedom.
That's one reason why I always wanted to get married
Married
early.
early.
Yeah, it was very clear. I want to get
Yeah.
married. 24 gonna be like, boy.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sidhu also says that only. He
Yeah.
always says that. Get married early. For men also, it's nice because you grow up with your friend and
Yeah.
I think the girl is yours. Now
Yeah.
let's work on your life.
Life,
It's
yeah.
much more easy.
I think that's the biggest thing. E part auntie, what next is career.
true. And
I-
it's so much time.
So much time, and you'll grow together. Okal tappu cheste, someone else will correct it.
Yeah.
So I think that is very beautiful about
It's
marriage.
like two friends growing up.
Yeah, different. Yeah, exactly. I think we have the same mindset.
Yeah. I'm also very old school that way. I love marriage.
Love marriage.
I love marriage.
That's good to hear. After 15 years of marriage, right? Almost 15 years. That's good. That's giving me more hope.
It'll be nice. It'll be fun.
Yeah.
It's very much fun. After kids, it's even more fun. Still 1 year, 2 year, 3 years,
That's good to know.
So, what were you nervous about your marriage?
I think how do I handle my in-laws or how do I handle my family? Atla worry outundi. But after I met them, I'm like, this is so easy.
Why
Like,
do you even stress
yeah,
about it?
like why do people? And it's different for everyone. But for me, I think I feel so lucky that I was stressing about it before, like marriage or before I met them. But now it's like just the best. Like it's so chill. I have more people who care about me.
Nice.
So I don't think I stress about it anymore after meeting them. That was my biggest like stress.
Nice.
Yeah.
Now that you, Indaka, what were you more excited about the wedding?
Wedding, enjoying with my cousins and family. And to be very honest, I went as a guest to my own wedding. Ante, 1 week before the wedding, I had a shadow on Mata.
Mhm.
So I just handed everything to her because I don't have to know where is my outfit. I don't have to rapido my outfit or send my driver. So that's none of my business anymore. So I went as a guest. I enjoyed a lot. Like
Wow.
a lot. Like mehendi, cocktail, everything was very fun. So usually antar kada mana events lo we can't enjoy any. So I think it was the opposite for me.
It should be like
Yeah.
that. That's what we always tell. Good responsibilities, thesis.
Yeah.
It's okay. Whatever goes wrong, it
Goes wrong,
It's
that's
okay.
it.
Whatever happens, why not just cherish whatever happens?
Yeah.
And like small things, not putting my mehendi in your own mehendi event, but just go around and meet
Yeah,
your guests and all.
exactly.
It's so good.
Exactly.
Rather than just sitting for hours and then getting
Oh,
this
no.
done.
I
And
think
then, not
that's what I did, Like I didn't want
remember.
that big mehendi. And I just want to put that chandamama.
Yeah.
And my parents were like, "Are you sure?" Auntie, mom and sister.
And
You'll regret it later. And no, I think I'm gonna regret not being for my own event on
Right.
Chaptunde. So I finished my mehendi within like 1 hour, and then I enjoyed so much of my mehendi. So I think that's one suggestion I can give is like enjoy your own
Yeah,
mehendi.
be a guest to your.
Ante.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I think I didn't have so much exposure back then.
Mm-hmm.
So తెలియకుండానే guest లాగా ఉన్నది.
Yeah, that's
But
good.
but to plan so much and then organize things from maybe 6 months ముందర మనం కలిసింది.
Yeah, I think more
కదా?
than
More
6
than
months.
that, no?
I think we started talking in like August,
Yeah,
October or something like
yeah.
that. Yeah.
So I think ఈజీగా 8 months అయిపోయింది.
Yeah,
8
yeah,
months
yeah.
నుంచి మాట్లాడి we plan so many things. You plan so many things, every bit of it, and then before like 1 week or 10 days, you just
Yeah. I'm
yeah,
backing
and
out.
then,
Yeah, it
let
was like
the
that.
show begin, and then
Yeah.
that's how you should be. I think it's very
Yeah, and it helped me a lot. Ante, there were things which went wrong. I think I told you about it, like my saree or like my jewelry.
Huh.
There were so many things that went wrong, but eventually, like everything fell into place. Like there's nothing I could do about it. Ante, yeah, I think that's the mindset you should have as a bride.
Right.
Whatever happens, it'll like happen for good and just enjoy.
Yeah.
You don't want to sit crying, na saree itla raaledu, atla raaledu.
Will that
So-
change a bit?
And
The situation. ఒకవేళ చీర ఇలా అయింది అలా అయింది అంటే will that అప్పటికప్పుడు ఎలాగో ఫిక్స్ అవ్వదు.
yeah.
So what is that's what I also tell that what is that you're looking forward for to marry this guy. This,
Yeah.
I'm going to step into a very new chapter of my life, the best day of your entire life.
Mhm.
Why worry about the sari or a liner or a
Ante.
kachi? It's okay.
Yeah.
It's okay. You can't
Ante.
say
I'll tell you, there were so many things that went wrong. If I tell you, you'll be like, oh, I'm really. Yeah, even like on my wedding day, islands petkuntam kada. I don't know, someone like put the rice in my eyes.
Oh.
And this was right after Jilkar Bellam. Inka tali kuda kattaledu anukunta. One of my islands came out. So, and I don't know how to remove my lens. Inko lens tiyali nenu, otherwise I'm gonna look like a ghost. So I think that's one thing nobody noticed except for my mom and Harivansh. And I'm like, please don't do this to me. And Chappi Melliga, like luckily, I just did this and then thesis now. But I don't know how to remove my islands. But our time though, I was very grateful. I'm like, thank God. Otherwise I would have looked like a ghost. So many things like that happen.
Oh my God.
Yeah. So I can't control that
Yeah.
action till ఎట్లా చేయాలి అని.
And see, planning కూడా Okay, irrespective of how much ever ఈ డెకర్ అయింది ఆ డెకర్ అది ప్లాన్ చేసిన మనకి తెలుస్తుంది.
Yeah,
People
no,
will not remember how good the decor was and everything. చిన్న చిన్న
Yeah.
details గుర్తుపెట్టుకోరు. They only will remember how happy Monica looked that
yeah,
day.
that's so true.
That makes you look more pretty. How the couple is enjoying, how the
Yeah.
family is enjoying. That I think that's what made a lot of sense to me.
Yeah,
You guys looked so happy in one frame. Your mom, your sister, the little one, Monica, so you, Harivansh,
Yeah.
his parents. It's a full house.
yeah.
I don't remember. Yeah, again, your lens poinda, cheer poinda.
Yeah, you didn't know that till now. I don't think you noticed in the pictures also, right?
I didn't know.
So yeah, that is something that happened that day. It was funny, it's
Yeah.
funny to talk about it.
But good that you did not panic the day.
Koncham panic.
It did not show. Trust.
Like 10 seconds I panicked. The only
Monica,
thing I had to remove.
Monica.
No, I didn't know how to remove the other lens. That was
panic.
yeah. I was not worried about my eyelids,
Okay.
And then my Vadina came asking, "Hey, my inkoka lens kavala."
Wow, Monica, you're so cool.
ఇంకొక lens. నాకు వద్దు, I'm good like this. And actually, funny story, Harivansh didn't like me wearing lens.
Oh,
So I don't
maybe
know.
God
Yeah,
sent the signal.
I really think so because he was not happy with me wearing lens that day for some reason. So maybe I don't know. It just meant to be. See, again, it worked out well.
Yeah, it actually worked out.
Yeah.
So technically, అది ఇదే కాదు.
Yeah.
Last కాదు.
Yeah.
So, I was thinking, okay, we had a good, small good discussion about how Monica turned from the little girl into bride. So I have a rapid fire. Fast గా అడిగితే fast గా చెప్పాలి.
Mm.
One thing you spend too much money on wedding లో.
My sari. My wedding sari.
It's worth it.
It's worth it.
Yeah. One thing you should have spent more money on.
Jewelry.
Huh?
More jewelry. No.
అలా ఎలా?
ఎక్కువ jewelry.
Oh, ఎక్కువ jewelry. పెట్టింది ఎక్కువ కానీ
ఇంకా ఎక్కువ. Yeah, it's never enough.
Figures,
It's never
sorry.
enough.
Yeah, figures. Who cried more than expected? I think I know the answer.
My dad.
Yeah.
And me, yeah.
You also cried so much, no?
Yeah. అంటే నేను ఏడుస్తే తప్పలేదు ఎప్పుడు.
పెళ్లి కూతురు.
Daddy ఏడుస్తే. Yeah.
One thing your husband cared about more than you did. Is it about the lens that you
Oh, yeah. Maybe. Actually, photographs.
Really?
Yeah. He wanted like pics to be clicked in a certain way, and I think he saw more than me.
Wasn't it you?
No, it was actually him.
Really?
Yeah.
God said
నేనే అనుకుంటే నాకు extreme, which is good, which is very good.
కాంబినేషన్ లో ఒకళ్ళే అలా ఉంటారు.
Oh no, we both are like that. We
Oh.
both are very like passionate about clicking pictures.
Right.
Yeah.
One thing you cared about more than everyone else.
Dance. Yeah. Go ahead. No, go ahead. I want to know.
Okay, we'll answer. I have two things. You have two things.
Okay.
Okay, first is dance. You said dance.
Yeah.
Like,
Looks. Yeah, for
Looks.
sure. Looks for sure.
Yeah.
Looks, same answer. You helped me.
No, not counted.
I cared more about looks. Dance and Japan first. Decor.
I had this
Decor. I
answer,
think decor for sure.
Very
Obviously.
particular, no?
Yeah.
How many hours of sleep did you get before the wedding?
1 hour.
Really?
Yeah.
1 hour?
Yeah.
Hey, అంతా ప్లాన్ చేసుకున్నావు కదా. What happened?
I slept at actually funny story. Vanki untadi kada. I think we didn't plan for Vanki yet asalu. So we didn't plan asalu and marchipena. One day I thought my mom already like had something in mind. Lekunde adi.
Okay.
So I called a jewelry store like before one night before the wedding and ఏమన్నా ఉందా అంటే nobody had matching to my set. Polki's ఏం లేకుండే. సో దానికి హాల్కి వెళ్ళేసరికి 11-12 అయిపోయింది.
Okay.
అండ్ దెన్ 12 to 1 పడుకోవడానికి ట్రై చేస్తాను. 1 to 2 ఆల్మోస్ట్ పడుకున్నాను.
2 o'clock.
I think you can't sleep.
Yeah.
And makeup artist tension, టైంకి వస్తారా లేదా ఏంటి అవన్నీ you keep thinking about it, but I wanted to get good night sleep. I know you suggested me get a good sleep.
Yeah, good sleep.
I don't think it's gonna work out practically.
Will work. But
I tried.
ఆ వంకీ ఎపిసోడ్ లేకపోయి ఉంటే you would have should sleep.
And also I was excited.
Yeah.
So I was very excited. I jumped out of
Family's gonna come.
photos was my morning. So I wanted to be ready by a certain time so that I get my pictures. So that was
you were very particular.
yeah. నాకు pictures important.
Who was more stressed, you or your mom?
My mom. No doubts about it. I think if you've seen the photos also, little stressed on mummy. And everybody was like, your mom is more stressed. Your dad came as a guest. Until yeah, he was stressed after the wedding. After he was having fun, but after the wedding, after he was stressed.
Did you actually enjoy your wedding shopping?
Yeah, very much. I think oka point tarvata I was so done. Aa done lo kuda I was enjoying it. So yeah, it was very. And na pelli shopping eppudi I started 8 months before.
Exactly.
Before the wedding. First కొన్ని అన్ని వేసుకోలేదు మళ్ళీ తర్వాత I had to like change my outfits and all.
You remember we had a discussion about your పెళ్లి కూతురు?
Yeah.
నాకు ఈ చీర ఉంది కాబట్టి పెళ్లి కూతురుకి.
It was like that.
Okay. Would you plan your wedding again?
No. I think no. And I'm happy with whatever went. So I'm like, okay, అయిపోయింది ఇంకా చాలు.
If you could sit with the version of yourself from 1 week before the wedding, what would you tell her?
I think I would just tell her everything is gonna go as you plan. Even if it doesn't go, it's fine. You know, just enjoy your wedding. And it's not my job to like make everybody happy. But it's my job to make myself happy. So
పెళ్ళంటే so many things కదా ఇన్ని ప్లాన్ చేసాను ఇవన్నీ ఉంటాయి కదా. Did you realize, I mean obviously vendor list start చేస్తాం కదా. When was that first time that you realized that wedding is a lot of work? I mean there's so much things in it. So how did your whole planning thing start?
yeah. So I'll be very honest. I oka book konukunna మాట. No. You have to no, but see what's coming. So I got a book. It's a very cute book.
Okay.
నేను నీట్ గా నాకు ఈ డే మేకప్ ఆర్టిస్ట్ ఇది. So I only wrote my makeup artist.
You have that book now.
I do.
Okay, send me a picture.
Only one page. Yeah.
Okay.
So I wanted to like print out pictures of my inspiration. I create an entire like journal for my wedding. So I started that, but it didn't work out. I couldn't keep up with it because it's like so many things and everything kept changing very quickly.
Right.
So నాకు అదొక మెమరీ లా ఉంటుందని I got it. But it didn't go anywhere. But then if you see my notes app, I think I still have, I don't want to delete them. I still have all the, you know, whatever my thoughts were. I have to do this. This is how I have to entertain my guests. So avanni unde anamata. Inka undi. So that's where everything started.
Wow.
That book, and it didn't work out. And then my notes. And
Can
then
you
pictures.
peep into that notes one?
Yeah, sure. I think my phone is inside. Yeah.
Can somebody give the phone to you? I'm shameless like this.
No. I hope it's good things. Yeah. So this was my wedding, like 7:30 a.m. Bharat and Dali.
30 minutes
Entry 10
minimum.
30, yeah. And then entry 10 minutes, 8:10 varaku aipotadi. So
Okay.
actually I was planning for my idi. And then I had the cocktail night flow, 8 p.m. grand entry. So performance,
Okay.
meet and greet. So ఒక్కొక్క event ki I wrote like that. Event arrival timings, you know, March 1st. I need to be there by 7.
Be there by 7:30.
Yeah. So
You mentioned about how you felt, what were you thinking and all, Adhikada. Do you have something about it?
let me see. Maybe I did, but it was more like, you know, planning ఏ ఉంది అంటే like my thoughts అలా. So I also maintain a journal. So maybe దాంట్లో దాంట్లో thoughts ఉంటే planning.
Planning with
But yeah, I did have like itla welcome hand post packaging because I had friends coming from the US.
Okay.
They came all the way from US and they never visited India.
Oh, okay.
So Americans unde, Mexicans unde. So I wanted to make sure they were comfortable. I think that's one biggest thing.
Oh, okay.
For me, we have to be comfortable అని. సో అది కూడా చాలా ప్లానింగ్ అంటే హోటల్స్ చూడడం వాళ్ళ ట్రాన్స్పోర్టేషన్ ఎట్లా.
Right.
So all of that was I think if you ask me what I was stressed about, that is also one more thing. You know, friends, they should be comfortable.
Right.
Yeah.
Good host. And how much did all of this planning really worked out?
I think 70%, which is a good
You
number.
remember this number I told you?
Oh, you did? Yeah,
70%. 70%.
70%.
We had this
Yeah.
conversation.
So 70% did work out.
Uh-huh.
And there were a few things. Probably decor was not completed because they didn't have time to finish
Exactly.
everything.
Hmm.
So decor was might not be complete, but nobody even realized that. Until
Yeah.
they felt it was full, but నాకు ఒక్కదానికి తెలుసు what
Plan
what
చేసింది మనం
yeah.
కాబట్టి.
So చాలా అయింది అట్లా. And also one of my events, important events, I'm not gonna tell you which event and who.
Okay, let me guess.
But oh, really?
Oh, yes, yes.
You know it, you know it. Yeah, I think I told you this.
Okay.
So my saree, it was my main event, one of the main events, saree అన్నమాట. ఎప్పుడో ఆర్డర్ చేసిన నవంబర్ or something.
I know this.
I was supposed to get it.
Okay.
It came 4 days
Right.
before the
Yeah.
event, and it didn't like.
Yeah.
It was wrong.
Yeah.
Something was wrong. I'll tell it to you later what was wrong because I just everybody will know. So something went wrong.
Okay.
అయిపోయింది. Like those 10 minutes, I was very upset
Mm.
because it was my saree. I expected it to be like, you know,
A
very
certain
good
way.
in a certain way. And it's a mistake that happened. And it's a very like blunder mistake, I would say. So I was worried. Etla enti ani. My mom had a plans. Worst to worst, we'll go and get a saree somewhere else.
Mm.
But I didn't want that. This is what I planned, and ఇది రావాలి కదా అన్నట్టు ఉంది. But 10 minutes, I was very upset, and then I spoke to the designer and all, and then they were able to like, you know, give it like right before the event.
Oh.
And I only saw that saree
I know,
right
I
before
know.
the event. And I got my blouse stitched within 2 hours
Right.
before the event. So in the November lo plan chesi, I couldn't even like, you know, see it until and unless like right before the event. That's when I saw it.
Mhm.
So, but I was very happy. I'm like, I'm glad at least, you know, they corrected their mistake, and that's all it matters end of the day.
Yeah.
Kani appudu I almost had tears in my eyes, but I'm like, calm down. My mummy was like, tension aithe, nakkak tension aithe, etla appudu ani. But everything worked out in the end.
Nice. It'll work out.
Yeah, ante.
That is something else. It'll work out.
Yeah.
And so మన Indian weddings లో like you were mentioning akka and amma so much. Indian weddings are generally it's unlike the other countries or alaga. Mana wedding planning is not just the couple.
Yeah.
It's always one entire group family
Oh,
photo.
no, yeah.
Everybody has an episode to talk about if we touch about the wedding.
Oh,
So how did you balance your vision with the entire planning and then with your family?
honestly, I told them, like, I'm not particular about everything, but I stated it clearly. This is what I want.
Okay.
Beyond this, it's up to you guys. ఏమన్నా చేసుకోండి.
Okay.
But నాకైతే ఇవి కావాలి.
This
ఇది
is your
కావాలి. Okay,
basket.
list this is what I want. They were okay with it. Maybe here and there కొన్ని disagreements వచ్చింది, and I think it's pretty common. You know that real family during the
Right.
wedding planning కొట్టుకుంటూనే ఉంటారు, and then wedding లో hum साथ hai. So it was literally like that. My sister wanted one thing, my dad was worried వీళ్ళు ఏం చేస్తున్నారు, ఎంత షాపింగ్ చేస్తారు అని.
అసలు డాడ్ ఇన్వాల్వ్ అయ్యారా ప్లాన్స్?
No, not at all. అసలు dad didn't even
చిల్లెస్ట్ నాన్న
అసలు he didn't even know what he was wearing until the wedding day. He's very I'm telling you, he came as a guest. అప్పగింతలో అప్పుడు okay, he got his character when he came as a guest. So it was very chill. But yeah, everybody, ante, you know, like I would suggest, you know, whatever you want, just be upfront about it. This is what I want. Don't tell them last minute, because even they have to plan. So have a clarity on what are the things you're particular about, and just give it to them and find a way to work around it.
And it's also very important to kind of tune your family from day one.
Oh.
See, because manaki ఈ portrait sessions, this is a vision, this is a mood board, ఇవన్నీ మనకున్న subjects. For them, marriage was different back then.
True.
వచ్చారు, పెళ్లి చేసుకున్నారు, వెళ్ళిపోయారు. That's how it was. ఈ డెకోర్ ఇంత ఇవన్నీ లేకుండే వాళ్ళకి. So suddenly it's a new subject. And when they come to see, that's why portraits kuda, we say your portraits are supposed to be done by the time your parents even enter the venue.
True.
That's how it should be, because it shouldn't look like the couple is only photos తీసుకుంటున్నారు. See, రాగానే ఆ వైబ్ వస్తుంది, గ్యాప్ లో మధ్యలో వెళ్ళి ఇదంతా shouldn't be like that.
అవును.
So because for వాళ్ళకు కూడా for them to be comfortable from day one, this is what I want, this is what I want, ఈ రోజు నేను ఈ టైం కి ఇలాగే ఈ ఫొటోస్ లో ఉంటాను,
అవును.
ఈ డెకోర్ నాకు ఇది కావాలి.
Mm.
So they know what is like the must do's for you, and then they'll
True.
also, I think, tune అవుతారు. I
That's
think
true.
it's the couple's initiative to make sure the parents are tuned in from day one. తర్వాత
very
I think they will run the show.
అంతే.
ఆ రోజు ఇంకా మనం కూర్చుని there is this one Pinny who is kind of dragging you from
Yeah, you know, on-
Ivanni, you don't have to do that. Parents will
అవును.
take care of everything if
I think-
they are tuned.
Yeah, I think I got very lucky that way because nobody was dragging me around. అంటే ఐ మేడ్ ఇట్ వెరీ క్లియర్. అంటే మీరు ఈ టైంకి నాకు ఈవెంట్ అని చెప్పండి, నేను దానికంటే 4 hours ముందు రెడీ అయి కూర్చొని ఐ డూ మై థింగ్.
Right.
సో ఐ డోంట్ మైండ్ వేకింగ్ అప్ at 2 AM 3 AM టు గెట్ వాట్ ఐ వాంట్.
True.
సో ఇఫ్ దే టెల్ మీ ద రైట్ టైం ఐ గెట్ రెడీ, దాని ప్రకారం నేను చేస్తాను. ఐ థింక్ దట్స్ వాట్ ఐ డిడ్ అండ్ ఐమ్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ విత్
Yeah.
దట్.
I think it's a perfect balance also for your thing. I would appreciate this because your mom was pretty much part of many meetings which involved the planning,
యా,
but she was never involved with the creativity.
అవును.
So I think she left that to you.
Yeah.
It's a perfect balance with that. I think I really like that about her. Ante
Yeah.
she was there, but then she gave you your space.
Yeah,
which is nice.
it's like నాకు ఇవన్నీ తెలియని కూడా తెలియదు, you know, like just do
Oh,
your thing
yeah.
అన్నట్టుండే. So I got lucky, to be honest. with that part I got lucky.
So how many vendors did you actually end up coordinating with?
I think at least around 5, 6, 10. I think I don't have count, but I had a wedding planner. So nakem unna, I used to tell her and she used to take care of it. But even outside that, I had to coordinate with a couple of people because maybe she didn't have the contacts for that, and I had better contacts for that.
Right.
So I did coordinate even on my Pelli day. You know, Ayana Dance Company, you know, Manish. Yeah, so he did dance. I wanted him to dance
Right,
on Mata,
right.
and they did an amazing job. So I was talking to him. He was the one who was giving me updates. Oh, groom just came. I was in my room alone, basically.
Okay.
Photo shoot అయిపోయింది, అన్ని అయిపోయింది. I was just there chilling. నన్ను వదిలేసినారు అసలు. I'm like, వదిలేయమన్నా కానీ ఇంత వదిలే. I was just, even నా పెళ్లి, trust me, I didn't feel like I was getting married that morning. I was in my పెళ్లి dress, నేను మంచి selfies. I still have the selfies from my wedding day. తీసుకుంటున్నా, selfies తీసుకుంటున్నా, అందరు వదిలేసినారు. So he was giving me updates.
Okay.
Groom just came in.
Oh.
We just started the entry. I'm like, nobody is there to like give me those updates, and he was giving me those updates. So I had to like coordinate with them and my wedding planner. And then as I said, I had a shadow, right?
Right,
So
right.
I handed everything to her. So she did a really good job. I think as a bride, it's very important to have a shadow. At least 1 week before the wedding. Yeah.
Wedding planner, wedding stylist, shadow was like
Must, yeah.
చాలా స్ట్రెస్ పోతుంది
అవును.
పెళ్లి చేసుకోవడం ఒక స్ట్రెస్.
స్మైల్ చేయాలి దానిలో ఇట్లా నవ్వు.
You have to remember that you have to be, I mean, you are anyways happy inside, but with
Oh,
a
no.
lot of things that are going around you, they'll kind of put you in a stress. No,
That's
it's like,
true.
oh no, am I not supposed to be happy today?
Yeah.
And see, I have to tell you about now that you're saying 8 months plan చేశారు కదా, నేను అన్ని months plan చేయలేదు. ఇది this happened like we're talking about 10 years old, which was my wedding.
Okay.
And I have this నా పెళ్లి ఫోటోలో చీర ఉంటుంది కదా, I still don't remember why they've put this hair pins ఉంటాయి కదా, hair pins ఏదో సెట్ చేయడానికి పెట్టారు,
Okay.
మర్చిపోయి అలాగే కూర్చున్నా. So all my wedding pictures have those అన్నమాట.
Oh no.
I never wanted it to get it photoshopped or something.
Yeah.
And I always wanted to get this nice bridal pictures, very అందంగా పెళ్లి కూతురుల పద్ధతిగా కూర్చుంటుంది కదా.
I want to see your bridal photos. I don't think I ever saw them.
All of the pictures, ఒక్కటి కూడా నాకు ఈ ప్రాపర్ బ్రైడల్ పోర్ట్రేట్ రాలేదు, నేను అవ్వలేదు.
Okay.
Kept laughing, smiling so much. I enjoyed my wedding so much. Oh my god, 32 పళ్ళు బయటే ఉంటాయి.
Oh, no.
32 పళ్ళు బయటే ఉంటాయి, 10 పిన్నలు కూడా బయటే ఉంటాయి. Every picture has
But you didn't realize your on wedding day pins on it. You were just, best.
In fact, నేను very funny. So
ఇట్స్ లవ్ మ్యారేజ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ అంతా బాగానే ఉంది జరుగుతుంది ఆఫ్టర్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ స్ట్రగుల్స్ ఫైనలీ గెటింగ్ మ్యారీడ్ అండ్ దెన్ ఆ స్ట్రెస్ లో నేను మర్చిపోయా దట్ ఇందాక అన్నాను కదా
Yeah.
ఐ మీన్ సపోజ్ టు బి హ్యాపీ అని
Yeah.
సో మర్చిపోయా అండ్ సిద్ధు వాస్ ట్రైంగ్ టు కన్వే మీ సో మచ్ చెప్పడానికి ట్రై చేస్తే దొరకట్లేదు బికాస్ ఓవరాల్ సో మచ్ కేవాస్ ఇస్ గోయింగ్ ఆన్
Yeah.
జీలకర్ర బెల్ల పెడతారు కదా
Mm.
పెట్టినప్పుడు ఇలా లాగి ఇంత కష్టపడింది ఈ ఫేస్ పెట్టడానికి legit said this
Okay.
like
Why were you not smiling? Or were
I
you-
was so stressed కాదు tensed I
Okay.
don't know sudden గా I want to get married very clearly
Mm.
I want to get married to this guy but then suddenly too many things are happening నాకేం అర్థం కాలేదు
Yeah.
పిల్లలు రియలైజ్ అవ్వలేదు జ్యువెలరీ చీర చాలా మంది జనాలు ఏం అర్థం కావట్లేదు
Yeah.
you're prepared for everything but it's అంటే యాజ్ అన్ ఆడియన్స్ పెళ్లి చూడడానికి చాలా అందంగా ఉంటుంది
అవును.
but to sit in that position it's also a little stressful and a lot of emotions run through కదా
True.
by ఎంత తెలిసినోడిని పెళ్లి చేసుకున్నా
Mm.
పెళ్లి itself is a new thing and
అవును.
tomorrow your life has changed like
True,
కదా
Yeah.
so but then he said ఇలా పెట్టి లాగి ఇంత చేసే ఇంత చేసి ఈ ఫేస్ కోసం కాదు. ఇంత కష్టపడ్డాను ఫర్ దిస్ ఫేస్ వదిలేసి ఇట్స్ ఓకే
Mm.
అండ్ లైక్ యా కదా అది కూడా నిజమే కదా అండ్ దెన్ చుట్టూ అందరూ దెన్ ఐ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ మొత్తం సెటిల్ డౌన్ అయిపోయి కానీ చూస్తే సో ఆల్ మై ఫ్రెండ్స్ అండ్ ఆల్ ఎవ్రీబడి ఈస్ హ్యావింగ్ ఫన్
Mm.
దెన్ ఐమ్ లైక్ okay I just did this like okay then oh my
You
God,
had fun.
blast I still remember every bit of my wedding
Wow, that's-
every bit
Yeah.
that's what I keep telling also
That is
okay
important.
ఇవన్నీ వస్తాయి ఫొటోస్ వీడియోస్ ఇవన్నీ వస్తాయి ఆటోమేటికలీ వెన్ యూ ఆర్ ఇన్ యువర్ ఓన్ స్పేస్ అండ్ ఓపెన్ చేస్తే నాకు అన్ని గుర్తుంటాయి
Oh, no. When you see a picture, you know where.
ఎవ్రీ బిట్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్ ఐ రిమెంబర్
Yeah, I think that's
సెకండ్ ఏమైందో అంతా గుర్తుంది It's been 10 years but
You're still.
it's that's
It
how
feels like yesterday.
Yeah, it doesn't feel like yesterday. I think I've been growing up with this man. చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి కలిసి పెరిగిన ఫీలింగ్
Yeah.
వస్తుంది
Yeah.
but
that's
it's
nice.
it's lovely I think that's how you should
True. Remember every moment.
remember your
Yeah.
moment and for you after like now that we're talking about ఇంత పెద్ద ఎపిసోడ్ ఇంత chaos ఇవన్నీ ఉంటాయి
Mm.
బట్ సడన్ గా డే అయిపోయాక ఇట్ ఫీల్స్ లైక్ 10 minutes లో అయిపోయింది
అవును.
మొత్తం అని అనిపిస్తుంది
Yeah. Yeah.
లైక్ ఇఫ్ యూ జస్ట్ క్లోజ్ యువర్ ఐస్ వాట్ ఇస్ దట్ థింగ్ దట్ యూ రిమెంబర్ ఫ్రమ్ యువర్ వెడ్డింగ్ డే
Jilkara Bellam. Jilkara Bellam. I think I told in my interview
Yes.
also that, I was waiting for that moment, Jilkara Bellam. And it's so funny that I got tears automatically during Jilkara Bellam. And then my sister photos చూసినప్పుడు ఎప్పుడు ఏడ్చినావు నువ్వు ఎందుకు నాకెందుకు చెప్పలేదంటే అంటే పిలిచి నేను ఇప్పుడు ఏడుస్తున్నా అని మై మామ్ వాజ్ లైక్ ఏంటిది ఇది ఎడిటింగ్ అంటే మా ఎందుకు ఎడిట్ చేస్తా ఇది టీయర్స్ ఎందుకు ఎడిట్ చేస్తా tears. So nobody believed that I actually cried. Like
I
tears
remember you mentioning since day one that
Yeah.
Jilkara was very important
I think it's
for you.
powerful too. I don't know. Maybe అందుకే ఆ ముహూర్తం అని పెడతారు అనుకుంటా because I
I think all these muhurtalu are done for a reason.
Yeah.
That's why you're supposed to respect them.
yeah.
Do not cross the muhurtam. Be
Oh.
ready, be attentive, be in your
Oh,
space.
And I remember that moment very well. Like I think 3-4 minutes అట్లనే ఉండే అనుకుంటా. Everything was blurred for me. I couldn't hear anything. I couldn't I was just looking into his eyes and I felt like, damn, his mind. It's done. No going back.
It's so cool.
Yeah.
I remember he also was saying, Jilakara Bella Brothers. He says, oh my God. I saw it in slow motion. I'm like, this is so cute.
Yeah. It was, I think you have to be in the present, enjoy don't care what, I'm pretty sure so many people called me. I'm just like,
Was it very
just
organic?
us both. Huh?
Was it very organic?
was.
But everything just blurred
It
for you?
was, yeah.
Okay.
Everything was blurred. And it was just us both on pitching. It was like us both against like everyone. Like, I think it's very powerful. That moment is very powerful. Yeah.
Stage కి enter అయ్యే ముందు did you have your emotions done?
Oh, yeah. I think it's a thing. I know Elena అలీనా రోహన్ అందరు ఉండే ముందట అండ్ ఐ వాజ్ దేర్ సో ఎందుకు స్ట్రెస్ అని కూడా కాదు ఐ డోంట్
Udanta you were.
I was fine. Correct. I'll enter అయ్యే ముందు I was there. I asked the photographers, ఒక్కదాని ఉండాలా friends ఉండాలా? And they were like, it's your wish, whatever you're comfortable with. And then friends came. I was, ఎందుకో తెలీదు ఆ moment I was very emotional. I almost like got tears.
Oh.
I still don't know why. Maybe it's really happening and a feeling but it was happy. It was like happy
Happy tears.
moments or maybe mixed emotions. And then my mom and sister came and then Alina was also like it's okay you got it, don't worry honey. And then I entered the aisle. I had the welcome dance and all that. నాకేం చాలా అర్థం కాదు నేను సిగ్గుపడాలా అంటే కొంచెం that it was like I'm like సిగ్గుపడాలా ఏం చేయాలి ఇప్పుడు like okay and guess what I never wore a saree in my entire life. పెళ్లి కూతురు was the first day I wore my saree. అంటే శారీ ఫంక్షన్ కి వేసుకున్నా చిన్నప్పుడు బట్
శారీ ఫంక్షన్ కి పెళ్లికి మధ్యలో ఒక 10-15 ఏళ్ళట్టు తెలుసా?
I never wore a saree because I was saving it for my wedding.
Oh my God, are you for real? What did you do for college farewells and all those
The
things?
dress, half saree was fine, but it's not the same as saree.
Never wore
Obviously,
saree?
No.
Oh my God,
was only-
you really saved it for
Yeah.
wedding.
Yeah.
Guys, you hear it? That's so good. Okay.
Nobody believes it when I say it. Even my friends were so excited to see me in a saree because వాళ్ళందరు sarees వేసుకుంటే నేను ఒక్కదాని డ్రెస్ లో ఉంటుండే అనమాట. సో లైక్ ఐ ఆల్రెడీ ఎందుకో తెలియదు చిన్నప్పుడు శారీ ఫంక్షన్ రోజు ఐ డిసైడెడ్ ఐమ్ నాట్ వేరింగ్ అ శారీ అంటిల్ మై వెడ్డింగ్ డే బికాస్ ద పర్సన్ ఐ వాంట్ సీ ఇస్ మై హస్బెండ్ శారీ వేసుకోవడం. ఐ డోంట్ నో వై ఎందుకు అట్లా ఉందో కూడా
Guys, this is extreme planning. This is not human. This is God level planning.
No, yeah. So I don't know. It just happened. And my mother, అంటే మమ్మీకి ఏముండే బక్కగా ఉంటా ఎట్లుంటుందో శారీలా కట్టులా ఉంటుంది అండ్ ఆల్ దాట్.
ఇప్పుడు ఫోర్స్ చేయలేదు.
యా ఇప్పుడు ఫోర్స్ చేయలేదు. నోబడి లైక్ రబ్డ్ ఇట్ ఆన్ మీ శారీ వేసుకో అని. సో ఐ థింక్ ఇట్ వర్క్డ్ అవుట్ అండ్ ఇట్స్ సో స్పెషల్ ఫర్ మీ దట్ ఐ ఓన్లీ వోర్ ఇట్ లైక్ ఫర్ మై పెళ్లి కూతురు. So
You're so lucky. I have never seen a girl planning this much for a marriage, not wedding, marriage. This is insane.
yeah,
Good.
I did that.
Yeah, lovely. ఇది అంటే wearing your అమ్మమ్మ జ్యువెలరీ, అమ్మ చీరలు ఇవన్నీ are special, but this is next level.
Yeah, I thought good ఎందుకు వచ్చిందో కూడా I still don't understand. Sometimes I think it's just there and I
I
stick
think
to it.
మేమందరము కొంచెం ఇంత అయ్యాక ఏదో చీరలు కట్టుకుని అలా ఇలా మేము ఇమాజిన్ చేసుకున్నాం.
Yeah.
మేబీ యు ఆర్ బోర్న్ లైక్ డే వన్ పుట్టంగానే yes. Yes. You had a vision since the day when you were born. Oh my God. Okay. Was it this person who kept you sane through your wedding, who deserves an award for your planning and everything during the entire process?
Mom, sister and Harivansh and also my dad for not bothering us and letting us do whatever we want.
That you deserve an award.
Yeah, I think first dad actually. Mummy తో అయినా కొంచెం arguments అయింది డాడీతో అది కూడా అవ్వలేదు. So yeah,
Daddies are the coolest.
daddies are the coolest. Yeah. But ఆ తర్వాత బిల్ చూసినాక
Okay, let me, because I'm cool, I think.
I think I have to get it done.
So mom and sister,
Mom and
she
sister.
was there since day one.
Day one అంటే నాకు పెళ్లి సెటిల్ అవ్వక ముందు నుంచి కూడా they were there. సో దే వర్ ఆల్రెడీ ప్లానింగ్. వాళ్ళు కూడా ఎప్పుడు 5-6 years ముందు నుంచే మోనికా పెళ్ళికి వేసుకుందాం. సో ఇట్ వాస్ దెమ్ అండ్ మై సిస్టర్ ఆల్సో.
Full family's dream.
ఫుల్ ఫ్యామిలీస్ డ్రీమ్.
Yeah, I met your sister before you.
యా
First, Anne girls.
అవును షీ వాజ్ మోర్ ఈగర్ అసలు ఇది చేద్దాం అది చేద్దాం అండ్ షీఈ్ ఎక్స్ట్రీమ్లీ క్రియేటివ్ అన్నమాట. అంటే నేను ఏదైనా మిస్ అయినా తను మాత్రం మిస్ అవ్వదు. లైక్ షీఈ్ లైక్ దాట్. సో షీఈ్ లైక్ మై బ్యాక్ బోన్.
Wow. You had the vision for us, or was she the one?
She had her own vision. She had her own vision. Whatever she couldn't do for her wedding, she did it for my wedding. Vendors కానీ ఇట్లా చిన్న things which make a lot of difference.
So did మాతో కూడా was it the same case?
Yeah, she was the one who found you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, she was the one who suggested me. తనకే ఎక్కువ ఉండే go with vows అని చెప్పి. And then I fell in love.
Tali could not right now, you actually.
Yeah, Talia was chilling. I think Jilkar Bellam was more powerful than
Yeah.
Tali. Jilkar Bellam
That's the
అంటే
point.
పెళ్లి
Yeah,
అయిపోయింది
yeah,
అంతే కదా. So Tali was just like a
License.
confirmation. అంతే license, yeah. And I remember my dad was making sure if you've seen the videos, he was like counting 1,
Oh.
2, 3. So he was making sure. I pen okay, done. He was making sure. I saw that in the later video. I didn't see him during the moment, but yeah, that was funny.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay. If I could magically give you 1 hour
Mm.
from your wedding day and relive it exactly as it happened, which hour are you going to choose?
I think cocktail, where we both danced.
Oh,
Yeah.
Okay.
I would definitely think it was a very funny story. Like me and Harivansh, he thinks he's a bad dancer, but he did amazing. He danced better than me. Na dance ochna chinnappadi nunchi he did better than me. So practice and all, he was doing very well. Stage మీద he was more chill than me. నేనైనా స్టెప్స్ మర్చిపోతున్నా ఏంటి అని బట్ ఐ థింక్ ద డాన్స్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ వి జస్ట్ లైక్ చిల్లింగ్ టెన్షన్ లేదు ఏం లేదు వి గోనా గివ్ అవర్ బెస్ట్ వి జస్ట్ డాన్స్డ్ అవర్ హార్ట్స్ అవుట్ సో ఐ థింక్ కాక్టైల్
Cocktail hour.
యా కాక్టైల్ ఐ వుడ్ లవ్ టు read that
From the wedding day?
from the wedding day from the entire puja till tali that's something I would love to relive
ఎందుకు?
ఎందుకు అంటే ఓన్లీ మేమిద్దరం ఎవరు బాదర్ అంటే
Okay.
it felt like it was just us both
Right.
ఇంకెవ్వరు ఎంతమంది ఉన్నా మేమిద్దరం పెళ్లి చేసుకుంటున్నాము సో we were spending quality time. Yeah, so it was like
Okay.
that for us.
Yeah, the chaos level you spent
Quality
Which is
time.
good. I wanted to ask something else about your wedding actually. మీ వీడియో చూసేటప్పుడు హరివంశ్ సెడ్ ఆ రోజు మన ముందు మీటింగ్ అనుకున్నప్పుడు సో గైస్ దిస్ గ్రూమ్ is and family is more particular than anybody else. They wanted that particular muhurtam ee time ki అయిపోవాలి నేను ఫస్ట్ మోనికాని అప్పుడే చూడాలి. He
Yeah.
wanted his old little cute things
Yeah.
and మీరు అలాగే చేశారు.
అవును
సో ఫస్ట్ చూడటం జీలకర్ర బెల్లం అప్పుడు వరకు చూసుకోలేదు కదా మీరు?
no
You didn't
No,
look at each other.
చూడలేదు.
Oh, how-
When I was walking I saw his back. I was curious to see him కానీ చూడొద్దు అని చెప్పి I just went around
Okay.
and then the parda was there కదా అది సరిగ్గా అంటే పట్టుకున్నారు పాపం వాళ్ళు కూడా హ్యాండ్ పెయిన్ అవుతుంది
Right.
బట్ ఐ కెన్ స్టిల్ సీ హిమ్ లిటిల్
Okay.
నేను మమ్మీ నాకు కనిపిస్తున్నాడు హరివాజ్ కనిపిస్తున్నాడు పైకి లేవమనండి I was like literally doing this మమ్మీ కనిపిస్తున్నాడు so that was funny and then we saw like during Jilkar Bellam and I'm like is he really my husband అనిపించింది yeah
I said, oh my God. I did that, I remember.
yeah
Very slow motion.
oh my god
Yeah.
yeah
So that was the first time he saw you, right?
Yeah, first time he saw me on the wedding day. And I think it's good, you know. I'm kind of glad that we saved it for that moment.
Good. Yeah.
So I'm kind of glad we went like Paddhati wise.
All this belly, you dreamt of this so much. Everything went well. Years and years. మే అందరం కొంచెం ఏజ్ వచ్చాక డ్రీమ్ చేసాం కానీ ఐ థింక్ పుట్టడంతోనే ఐ థింక్
If you put it that way. If you put it that way. Yeah.
100% yes. So you dreamt of wedding and everything went well. And then I want to talk about the part that nobody talks about. How
Mm.
was your next day morning?
Okay.
Like you are waking up in a new house, new people. Yeah, you love them. You would want
Yeah.
to see them for your rest of your life, be with them as a family.
Mhm.
But how was it like a new life, new family, in-laws house? Like, oh wow, I am his wife now.
Mm.
Like, because I remember me Instagram couple page on the
Mhm.
first picture that I saw, a very pretty picture. That was on your vratam.
Yeah, it was the next day after
day
the
of
wedding.
your wedding.
Yeah,
And you were sitting and Harivansh was standing.
yeah.
And like, it seems this is us.
This, yeah.
And that's the first picture. You did not post anything from before, nothing.
Yeah.
అసలు ముందు నుంచి ఏమీ పోస్ట్ చేయకుండా sudden గా your page started with that page
Yeah.
picture, right?
అవును.
So that's one of my favorites.
Yeah.
So how did that entire thing hit you? Many years, 25 years of Monica versus a new Monica, I mean, new life from new
Yeah.
chapter from tomorrow.
Yeah. I think next day morning నేను చాలా కొత్త కోడలు పద్ధతిగా I got my makeup artist by 5 a.m. or something and they didn't even ask me to be ready by then. But నేనే ఇట్లా నీట్ గా రెడీ అయ్యి కిందికి వెళ్ళి no one even showered me. వెళ్ళి నీట్ గా దీపం అట్లా పెట్టి and then I was just praying and then Harivansh also got ready. So it was a very peaceful morning. No hadavidi, nothing.
Okay.
Manchi peaceful we started our day and then I felt like I felt like a wife, you know. And the tali inka tali kuchadam
Right,
so we
right.
still had like they did it that evening.
Okay.
So a tali inka atlane undi and then you know I'm like damn really okay I still feel like a kid wearing that tali. I'm like okay I'm gonna behave annattunde. So it was very peaceful morning.
It's so old school Monica.
I am.
Very nice. Yeah.
I try to be. I try to be. Old is good.
Good,
kada.
good.
Yeah.
It's very good. It's a compliment.
Yeah.
So how's the Kotta Kodulu episode?
Peaceful. Deepam Vetnano. We clicked some pictures. It was very chill. And the house is also like in Gandipet. So it was like muttam nature atla untadannamata. It was very peaceful. Peacocks unde.
Telugu cinema.
Yeah, literally. I'm not even kidding. Wearing that tali, I don't know if I can say this, but I felt like Rashmika.
Say that. I really thought myself. A song lo kada.
Yeah, I legit felt like that, and I'm like, damn.
Oh yeah.
Now I'm gonna get the keys of the house and Birwa keys knocking. And even the sari was like
Yeah,
that.
you also like that very vintage look and all.
Yeah. So it was very funny. Yeah, like funny and pitching. It was not stressful, you know.
Nemo. In years of dream, కొత్త కోడలు కొత్త లైఫ్ హౌ డిడ్ ఇట్ ట్రిగర్ అంటే ఈమెనేమో నాకు రష్మిక అలాగా ఫీల్ అయ్యి కొత్త కోడలు ఖాళీ సినిమా లాగా.
Yeah, I'm not kidding. And even my makeup artist posted a video on that outfit and she put Aindaya Sami song. And I'm like, okay, inka feels funny. So it was very funny. Yeah, it was a funny moment. Aim stress at claim lekunde. I was in my Delulu world. So
స్ట్రెస్ అనుకున్న ప్లేస్ మనం ఫన్నీగా ఉంటాం.
ante
ఫన్నీ అనుకున్న ప్లేస్
stress అవుతాము. Yeah.
సో ఈ పెళ్లి ఎపిసోడ్ మొత్తంలో is there anything that you thought it would matter so much, non-negotiable stuff and all, but you completely forgot about it?
Yeah. So
ఏంటి మోనికా అన్నిటికీ అడగగానే ఆన్సర్ ఇస్తున్నావు. You're not even thinking. And people think it is scripted.
no.
It's a question కూడా finish
No. Yeah, ఎందుకు అలా వచ్చేస్తుంది. And you're bringing out the best in me, so it's you. So, నా ఫ్రెండ్స్ యూఎస్ నుంచి వచ్చినారు కదా, సో దే డోంట్ నో ఎనీథింగ్ అబౌట్ ద వెడ్డింగ్ ఆర్ ఎనీథింగ్. సో ఐ లిటరలీ మేడ్ అన్ ఎంటైర్ pamphlet, which I still have it, that I took so much time to make that, to explain them every, you know, moment of the wedding. Like what is Jilkana Bellam, what is Pradhanam, or what is like Tali. Anni nene chesi, I put everything with graphics and all that, and I forgot to, like, I printed them out. Anni ayipindi. I got them to the wedding hall. I wanted to like give them during the wedding, so that they have it in their hands.
Yeah.
But I completely forgot about that. I'm like, damn, I put a lot of effort into that. So I'm like, suddenly, sell chesta ippudu Etsy-lo pedta at least sadina. But yeah, that's one thing which I thought was very important, but I completely forgot. Yeah.
మీరు రాకెట్ సైన్స్ పాప వాళ్ళకి.
Yeah. Yeah, and then immediately I sent a PDF though.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. I had a PDF version also. Immediately I sent a PDF on the group.
Oh, nice.
They had that.
I'll ask you a few questions, just a fun round.
Okay.
దీనికి పేరు లేదు,
Mm.
ప్రస్తుతానికి మనం మిస్ అండ్ మిస్సెస్ అని పెట్టుకుందాము.
Okay.
Okay, so I have 2 placards.
Okay.
I'll show you the pictures.
Okay.
Let me show you show to the camera first. Chinti Monica. You remember? Yeah. This is the picture, no?
Yeah, that's
So,
the picture.
madam first వేసుకున్న ఓనియా వేల్
Yeah, veil.
వేల్ and then her wedding పెళ్లి కూతురు చీర.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is Mrs.
Okay.
and Miss. అప్పటికి మిస్ బట్ యా Mrs. So how would both Monicas react?
Okay.
Okay. Destination weddings.
Destination weddings. Oh, I was very fascinated about destination weddings.
చిన్నప్పుడా
చిన్నప్పుడు కానీ ఇప్పుడు ఐ థింక్ మన హోమ్ టౌన్ మనం చేసుకోవాలి అని సో దిస్ మోనికా లవ్ డెస్టినేషన్ వెడ్డింగ్స్
ఓకే
దిస్ మోనికా నో
No?
నో
want so many people
So
so many people oh yeah mama tatayelu assemble
యా అంతే
matching outfit with husband
I did want it, but now no. I'm like, ఇద్దరం బ్యాండ్ కి వెళ్తున్నట్టు I don't want that vibe. So no matching outfits.
okay living abroad
I think this Monica didn't expect that she's gonna live abroad, but this Monica is happy living abroad. Yeah.
joint family
Joint, I think.
both Monica
Yeah,
I know this
I
Both
love
Monica
joint families. I'm a family person, so I love living with joint families. Yeah. చిన్నప్పుడు కూడా ఎవరైనా చుట్టాలు వస్తే చుట్టాలు వచ్చినారు and I used to tell my mom ఎవరైనా పిలవచ్చు కదా ఇంటికి ఎవరైనా పిలవచ్చు కదా ఇంటికి
Very
అని.
ideal daughter Monica
My mom is not happy about it.
ఇలాంటి daughters కి ఎలాంటి
Yeah, dad used to be happy. Dad is like, yeah, పిలవచ్చు కదా డాడీకి ఇష్టము మళ్ళీ.
oh okay
Yeah, mom is like, ఎందుకు ఇప్పుడు? But yeah,
pre-wedding shoot both
both Monica.
చిన్నప్పుడే
చిన్న-
exposure ఉండిందా
And guess what? I was scared of flash. Like chinnappudu, I used to cry looking at the camera flash.
okay
So this picture also, I was scared. Appudu
You
flash
put
was
your
yeah. So like flash was I used to cry anta.
oh
So I was like that, but look at me now.
love marriage
Love marriage. I think both wanted
love
it.
marriage versus arranged marriage
Arranged marriage is easy. Convincing ఏం ఉండదు అంటే అంత ఎఫర్ట్ పెట్టాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. So I kind of always knew I'm going to do love marriage.
oh you knew that you would
అనిపించింది అంటే ఇన్స్టింగ్స్ ఉంటది కదా ఎంత ఏమున్నా ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ద డే ఇదే అవుతుంది అని సో అరేంజ్డ్ మ్యారేజ్ వాజ్ ఆల్వేస్ ఇన్ మై బుక్స్
as a child as this one
no maybe not
okay
maybe this one as a child I was very rebellious అంటే like మొత్తం మనది ఏం so maybe this Monica have more clarity as she grew up
because this Monica is very family person.
yeah
moving away from parents
never not both
Monicas
Monicas did
yeah.
want that
bridal skincare or bridal diet
bridal diet
which one
both
huh?
I love అంటే like skincare and diet అనుకుంటా ఇది skincare ఇది diet చిన్నప్పుడు I used to like everybody still complains first ఇంటికి వెళ్ళగానే I used to go to makeup room అందరి like aunties drawer open చేసి so they used to hide their makeup like lipstick I was obsessed with lipsticks so ఎప్పుడు I used to apply lipstick like seeing this in picture I have lipstick so I used to love makeup but now eventually I realized it's all about the diet
big wedding versus intimate wedding
I think this Monica wanted big wedding, but this Monica wanted intimate wedding. But that's the only thing my parents asked. Like we want to call everybody, and I think I agree with that because wedding is the time where you see everyone.
Right.
Until although you don't spend time, photos just say, oh, నేను మీ పెళ్ళికి వచ్చినాను అని guests అంటారు. So it's happy for them too that we call them.
yeah
So it's a big family, happy family. So
gold jewelry
gold jewelry ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్ అసలు నాకు ముందు ఈ మోనికాకి అయితే షీ డిడెంట్ కేర్ ఎనీథింగ్ బట్ దిస్ మోనికా యాజ్ షీ గ్రూ అప్ షీ థాట్ గోల్డ్ యాజ్ అన్ ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్ బట్ డైమండ్స్ ఆర్ గర్ల్స్ బెస్ట్ ఫ్రెండ్ సో నేను మమ్మీకి ఐ వాజ్ లైక్ మమ్మీ నేను గోల్డ్ వేసుకోవచ్చా పెళ్ళికి అని అన్నాను బట్ మై మామ్ డెంట్ వాంట్ మీ టు వేర్ గోల్డ్ ఫర్ సమ్ రీజన్ షీ హ్యాడ్ హర్ ఓన్ రీజన్స్ బట్ ఐ వాంటెడ్ టు వేర్ గోల్డ్ బట్ ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ది డే షీ వాజ్ లైక్ వద్దు గోల్డ్ విల్ డూ లైక్ స్టోన్స్ ఓన్లీ అని సరే ఓకే మీ ఇష్టం ఇది ఒకటి మీ ఇష్టం అని సో
okay apart from investment aesthetics
both Monicas.
gold
Oh, aesthetics wise, yeah. I like gold in general. I like gold in general and it's very old school too. So gold is really nice. Anduke pelli kutur like this one I tried like wearing although it has some stones.
beautiful look
Thank you. So although like
I love it.
Thank you. I know we planned it. I was asking you also for suggestions. But yeah, gold is beautiful. It's just old school.
Social media wedding content.
Uh, honestly, I have mixed feelings about it. Ante enta chupiyalo anta chupiyali. Enta like chupiyado anta chupi. Like, you know, you don't have to show everything to people. And some things are just for you. That's what I believe in. So whatever we want to show, we were able to like show. And whatever we didn't want to show, we just didn't show.
Yeah.
Because those were our moments. So yeah.
So little Monica?
Little Monica wanted to show everything. So everything. But this Monica, no.
Being called Kodalu.
Being called. Actually, they call me Kuturu.
Oh.
Yeah. So even I call them mom and dad only. Like, I don't call them Atama or Mamaya. You know, I asked Harivansh's mom, how do you want to be addressed? She was like naakete mom and Bilwalan only. She was also like, I'm very happy you said that. So yeah, so they never like, even when they introduced me, they never said Kodalu. They were like Kuturu. She's my Kuturu, and people got confused.
Okay.
So it was a funny story. One of my friend, I was not there in the hall. She met my Atama, Harivansh's mom, and Harivansh's mom was like, oh, I'm Monica's mom. My friend was like, will a mom put change and like will a mummy ila undadi? And she was thinking that, and then she made it clear, oh, I'm Harivansh's mom. And she put that face, will a mummy undadi? So I thought that was so funny. Yeah.
Nice. Okay. Relationship advices from the relatives. What did both Monicas think about?
I think this Monica would like take everything. Okay. This Monica would like take whatever she likes and, you know, let go of whatever she doesn't like. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Good.
These are cute.
Well, I am so happy that both of them have a story.
Yeah,
Such a
actually.
coincidence.
I don't know. Like the fear and the confidence, it's like
Hey, did you see this? అప్పుడు కూడా మనకి సైడ్ చందమా ఉంది
oh yeah, I didn't see that.
చందమా ఉంది.
I didn't see that. That's funny. I didn't know.
Okay, Monica. It's been 100 days since your wedding, kada. Let's revisit all those memories. నీ album చూద్దామా?
The book of I
Yes.
don't know what to call this.
Dreams.
Yeah, book of dreams.
But how much we were planning, how much Harivansh
Don't
was
even ask. I'm telling ఒకటి అన్ని డీల్ చేయాలంటే ఇదొకటి నేను డీల్ చేయాలి. But I'm glad, you know, like he ended up very well. It came out very and this picture doesn't capture all that. What went behind? But I'm so glad this came out very well.
ఎన్నిసార్లు కూడా ఎన్నిసార్లు తిట్టుకుని ఉంటాడు
I know.
అయినా పర్లేదు
Do what you have to.
Remember I texted
Yeah.
Please.
I know.
Yeah.
But yeah, I ended up convincing him. So here's the
Who did this, by the way?
He got it from US.
Oh,
Yeah, he got it from US directly. But my outfit was from Varun Chekilum.
Yeah.
Even this, like, I only had like 1 week. Gave them
I
1
know.
week. 1 week time, so they were able to like deliver it.
I remember talking to her. I thought, "Can you please
Do
I always go to him for the last minute.
Yeah.
Varun, ఇది కావాలి.
And he'll get it done. Yeah.
Lovely. Who was your makeup artist?
Elena. Elena, yeah. She did a good job. She did a very good job.
Entire couple shoot was also. You remember? మేము ఎక్కడెక్కడికో వెళ్ళాం అనుకున్నాం
I
కదా,
know.
we thought
I'm
of,
so glad we didn't book
yeah.
our Dubai.
Dubai,
Like,
almost కదా.
almost we were
On the verge of booking tickets.
booking, and then I was able to get a hold of like
Yes.
this place.
This one, full credit goes to you.
Aw.
Full credit. The place, yeah.
Yeah.
Because being in Hyderabad, చాలా మందికి తెలియదు ఈ ప్లేస్ యాక్చువల్లీ
అవును.
అండ్ ఎంత బ్యూటిఫుల్ గా ఉంటుందని ఆర్ మేబీ ఓన్లీ సినిమా షూట్స్ కి అలా
Actually,
చేస్తారు
Peddi movie was also shot here.
రియల్లీ
Yeah, they shot like 2 minutes of scene, Peddi movie here. And then there was also another movie, Roshan movie, some British. So this was also shot. So many movies were shot here.
అది మేము
Even-
అనుకున్నాం
Yeah,
cinema
yeah.
అనుకున్నాం.
But Nagpur Telugu, but I did my research and all that, and that's how like I just came up with this
Yeah.
place, and I think it worked out for good.
Your
I'm
dad
so
was
I think
struggling
I'm
for-
glad everything else didn't work out and this worked out. So I can proudly say this is in Hyderabad.
Yes, that's so true.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, this shoot.
I still keep wondering, it's like, how did this picture happen? It's so good.
Yeah, it was all Sidhu. His creativity, and Elena, like she shows all the jewelry very beautifully. Bride is one thing, ante she also concentrates on those little details like cheppulu gaani, emunta cheppulala ankuda, and then she clicked one picture with like my footwear on the pre-wedding shoot.
Right?
It came out very beautiful. I'm like, damn, she just did one click ankuntaru, and it came out very beautiful.
Wow.
So it's all about the details.
And I think girls are into details.
Details.
Sure.
Yeah. I don't know if you remember. I think I was telling Netra. I'm like, I saw Alina's profile, and may I know who is shooting me? And then she was like, Alina. And I'm like, yes, Alina. I'm happy. We didn't see each other's outfits for any of the.
I remember. Why in the count in the it's very
Just-
I remember.
Yeah.
How come I didn't ask
We
you?
didn't even go shopping
Yes.
together and all, because our surprise element undali when you're like coming in front of each other.
Right.
Like there should be some kind of surprise element. So that's why we didn't see each other's outfits.
I remember this girl was sending pictures on a private chat,
Mm.
and then Harivanshu.
Yeah. I was sending pictures. I'm like, can you not tell
Harivanshu తెలుసా
Yeah.
మేము ఎక్కడ మర్చిపోయి దీని గురించి గ్రూప్ లో మాట్లాడేస్తే
yeah. And it worked out well for us. And my jewelry is from PMJ.
Oh, this is my favorite.
I remember shooting this. I think the team also remembers. Sidhu also remembers. Rohan. Everybody was here. I was kind of like trying to balance, and Sidhu was like, "Are you okay?" Adi and Chappi, and అంటే కొంచెం tough position అన్నమాట. Sidhu was like, "Are you sure you wanted to know? Let's do it." చేద్దాం అన్నట్టుంటే. And then yeah, they were helping me, and yeah, they got a very good shot with this. I'm happy. And table కొంచెం move అవుతుండే అన్నమాట. So I was like,
టేబుల్ మీద
yeah, this is on the table. It's on a round table.
He was sitting.
Yeah. And I'm holding the table and వదిలేసి then I was like, I have to like stay still. Like, అది ఇక్కడ ఫోటోలో కనిపించదు, but lot went behind the pose.
Classy pose, no?
Yeah, this is my favorite picture.
Yeah, even mine.
Yeah.
In all your cocktails, I think that's first.
Yeah.
Harivanshu is such a good person.
Yeah.
Your favorite
She-
entries.
This was our champagne toast. I was kind of feeling like ఇప్పుడు చేయాలా వద్దా ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్ ముందు మనకి షాంపెయిన్ అవసరం and both of us don't drink, so nobody drank it. Basically we just did it for pictures, and
Okay.
I guess we got it. Yeah.
Who did you enter planning?
We Factory.
Right.
Akshita and Venu. So Akshita was the prime person I worked with, and you know Akshita.
Yeah.
So she was the one I worked with. They did a very good job.
Yeah. This is the first dance, right? The
That was our
dance you did.
first dance. Yes.
Okay.
And we wanted to do this Carry You Home
Okay.
song Anamata. That is like our song.
Oh.
So engagement appudu kuda we have a small reel with playing with hands, you know. And I'll show it to you later.
Okay.
So yeah, we wanted to dance on that song only. Carry You, like, you know, it has a vibe, concha. So we were dancing on that song.
Love this look.
So
We have
actually,
to break down this.
this look was inspired by Shobita.
Oh wow.
I think there's a picture of her and also Aishwarya Rai in some
Ram.
old movie. Yeah. You know what I'm talking about. So, yeah, this saree, this is actually a saree. I got it at Tanera.
Okay.
And e color kosam, e saree kosam, I had to. And I only got the stitch like 10 days before like the event. Appudu dorkinది నాకు ఈ saree. So, this is one of my favorite look.
Oh.
Definitely one of my favorite.
My most favorite.
Yeah.
100% yes.
It's like old school.
Very old school. That
Yeah.
no blouse kind of a look. Fine.
Avunu.
Yeah.
Yeah, my mom kind of didn't want it to wear like that.
Oh, no?
But I'm like, it's okay. Actually, దీనికి sleeves కూడా ఉండాలి. It's detachable sleeves.
Oh, good.
అవసరం ఉంటే పెట్టుకుందాం అన్నట్టుండే, but I never used it. And my makeup was done by Raglam, Iris.
Oh.
Yeah. She did a good job.
Okay.
So yeah.
I love these little details that you've done. Ikkada, ikkada. Then, this is called
It's my Nanammas.
oh,
It's Chandraharam.
Chandraharam. Yeah.
Yeah, that's my Nanammas.
All Nanamas have this, no?
Yeah, all Nana. That's why I didn't even buy it. I'm like, Nanama, give me your Chandraharam. Yeah.
There.
So she was like, middle isko and Chappi. She only like gave it to me.
Very pretty. I think that added a whole new level of value to the entire
For
look.
sure.
Yeah.
For sure.
I love this look. ఈ వీడియోలో కూడా ఉంది కదా?
So actually, we all coordinated outfits.
Okay.
Babai wala family green color.
Huh.
Inkoka family purple color. So
Okay.
everybody in this family is going to wear this color. So
Okay.
everybody got their outfits dyed. Like andaru konkoni, dye cheskoni. So there was lot of, like, if you see orange,
Yeah,
purple.
purple,
So it's one family anamata. So everybody put a lot of effort on mehendi. Yeah, I think this was his Mangal Snanam.
Yeah, his Mangal.
His Mangal.
I like the fact that he wore green.
Yeah, not
Kottega.
haldi
Kottega
Yeah.
colors.
Yeah. This is my favorite look. I'm wearing Sabyasachi, and I think my chain is from Mangaltarai. I think so. I don't remember. Okokka దగ్గర నుంచి.
Okay.
And also this saree, I was actually supposed to wear red for my pelli kuturu, which I bought like 6 months even before the date was fixed. I think that's the saree we
Yes.
spoke about. Even that is a Sabyasachi saree.
Right.
So
You should wear. You should.
yeah. And also I want to wear, and I tried many colors for my wedding. First gold ankunnanu, tarvata orange ankunnanu. This is for marriage.
Ready.
But then I wanted to like pop out.
Mm.
So I'm like, no, let me wear red. I think red is what I want
Red
to wear.
has
So we
its
had to
own
change the
beauty.
entire like outfit. E outfit kuda luckily I got it in Sabyasachi.
Oh.
We saw so many orange sarees, కానీ ఒక్కటి నచ్చలేదు. Like luckily the salesperson sent us, oh, there's an orange saree. Immediately we literally bought it in like 1 second. I knew like this was the saree. And I think this look like became very like famous
Very famous.
actually.
Yeah. Because I remember మనకి వెడ్డింగ్ కి గోల్డ్ రెడ్ we thought no red దాని బట్టి మిగతా అన్ని మార్చాం కదా. This is only that that heroine vibes.
I
in the
get
box. They had such beautiful
Actually,
shots here.
this outfit, lot of people wore it. Torani outfit.
Oh,
A
yeah.
lot of people wore it. And this one, I'm not even kidding, it took me so much time to like find a person who can do this for me.
This?
And one of my like salesperson who happened to work like in one of the places, she was like, I'll do it for you. And she did it, everything is handmade. So she did this entire thing for me and she delivered it so well. Kani enta vetkina same I wanted, like I think Radhika Ambani wore it for one of the events or something. It's not same but similar.
Okay.
So that thing, I put a lot of effort to find something like that. And makeup was also done by Elena. Yeah.
I love all your makeup looks.
Yeah.
Which was the outfit that gave you more trouble?
if I see
Apart from that.
apart
అది పక్కన పెట్టేసి.
honestly no other outfits because I had all my outfits ready.
Ready, huh?
So
Okay, except that one.
yeah, except for that one single outfit. So and honestly like ఇవన్నీ లేకుండే కొంచెం ముందు వచ్చినాక I felt it was too plain. So I'm
Okay.
like okay, let us add some tassels and all that. అట్లా కొంచెం customize
Okay.
చేసినాం even after getting the outfit. So yeah, this should
This is మెహందీలో this is my favorite.
yeah.
Favorite.
I was done with my mehendi, and I also like got Mahalakshmi and Vishnu on each hand and Mata. Like I didn't want it to do the same itla, and I'm like okay,
Yeah.
and Chappi, I just did Mahalakshmi and Vishnu. So my outfit was done by Dasari, and she's very talented.
Yeah.
She as a person is very sweet. And one thing was in this entire planning, all of us became friends.
I know.
And it's like I still talk to her once in a while. Yeah. So she texts me, everybody's asking about your outfit. I got these many orders and Chappi she asked. So and this one was the entire set was from Bajrang.
Oh.
Yeah. And idi I think 3 months munde we confirmed. Saree kante
Oh, no, I remember you showing the
Yeah,
jewelry also.
saree kante mundu jewelry
Oh,
confirm
yes, yes.
అయింది.
Because mom was asking me gold ida
No. So I tried gold, but it was like blending with my skin color. So it was not like popping out.
right.
Orange try Jeshna, Kali. I'm like, no, I think red is what is meant to be because in my childhood picture, red is like popping out. I think it's a sign on Jappi. I did red. So this is like tissue saree. And then we also have like names and our logo in the pallu, like in the entire
In
saree.
the-
Yeah, Sai Maunika and Harivansh and untadi. She made a logo for us.
Oh wow.
So yeah, everything looked like very like perfect together, put well together.
I love this also. You remember we spoke about, I think
Yes,
a few days munde kada we
Yeah.
spoke about this.
Tanki oka story undi. So I had a Mata Patti.
Oh, no.
This is Sheesh Patti. I
Oh.
had a Mata Patti, but Sheesh Patti lekunde anamata. So Manish did my makeup for my wedding. So he cut. I wanted to do Sheesh Patti.
Oh no.
So he was seeing Mata Pattiya, Sheesh Pattiya, and atla చూస్తున్నాను. Manish is very detail oriented person. ప్రతిదీ పర్ఫెక్ట్ ఉండాలన్నమాట. హెయిర్ ఇట్లా ఒక్క స్టాండ్ కూడా ఉండదు. సో ఇట్స్ వెరీ డీటెయిల్ ఓరియంటెడ్. సో అప్పటికి హీ కట్ మై మాతా పట్టి అండ్ మేడ్ ఇట్ ఇంటూ షీష్ పట్టి. సో ఇఫ్ యూ సీ కొన్ని పిక్చర్స్ లో గ్యాప్ ఉంటుంది యాక్చువల్లీ టీకాకి అండ్ దిస్ పార్ట్ కి.
Oh.
So అప్పటికి he did something and
Jugaad,
yeah, a lot of jugaad happened. But the dancers were amazing. They're from Ayana Dance Company. Extremely classy.
Yeah.
Very well
It's
done.
one of my favorite. He's also Kathak dancer.
Yeah. Manish also, he's a very friendly guy, like extremely friendly. He brightened up my entire mood. He
Oh,
came to
wow.
me and like, you look so pretty. And then he also called me and he was like, the groom looks amazing. So he was like trying to cheer me up. and-
These are the kind of people you need. at a wedding, you know?
Exactly. So he made a lot of difference, to be honest. The entire team, everybody, like my father-in-law still talks about it. Like,
Oh.
chala baga chesnaru. They're like very professional dancers. So it was last minute actually. We decided them 3 days before the wedding. Entry ki em plan cheyali ani.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, you remember when I came here, I was still doubtful. I think they're
No,
coming.
You said I think they are
Lani.
coming, Ani. You
And
said.
luckily they were available, but did an amazing job.
The band.
The moment. ఇప్పటికే అయిపోయింది ఇంకా ఈ సీన్ వచ్చేసరికి all the emotions are done, everything is done. I'm also like ready to be a wife. But yeah, beautiful moment.
Very fun.
Nobody told me to hold this like this. I think it naturally just came.
Cinema Prabha.
I think so.
Cinema
Choosy
Prabha.
down. Nobody told me to hold it like this. Hello, yeah. Yeah.
See, you're so prepared. You're very well prepared.
Yeah.
Oh, your Ratan look
Oh, yeah.
so vintage.
This is from Bhargavi Kunam. My makeup was done by Pixel.
Oh.
Manish did my wedding makeup. I
Hmm.
forgot to say that. But this was Bhargavi Kunam. And this is like this is actually my sister. My sister bought it for herself and I
Oh.
kind of stole it from her. It was very last minute. I'm like, can I take it? And she didn't have a problem
It
with
sings
it.
so well.
Yeah. So I stole it from her.
Stolen saree.
It's total saree. Yeah. I think, I wanted to wear my hair like this. So I saw Srileela's picture, ekkado, that she put flowers to the side.
Okay.
So that was inspired by her look.
Okay.
So,
This is my most favorite picture.
yeah.
We couldn't add it. So
No.
yeah.
Yeah.
It's the most beautiful. It looks like a little child. Like she's so happy like that.
Yeah, I was just so happy. It's all happy tears, and it's funny. My mom asked if that picture was edited. Well, it's not.
No, it's not.
That let it just what వాళ్ళు కూడా they still think I'm a kid. They can't imagine me crying during these moments. So that was funny.
You had to prove.
I had to prove, it's not editing.
Nice.
Yeah. But yeah, I think this is the most favorite picture for me too. It captured my emotions so well. Yeah.
It's a lovely way of going and reliving the entire
Yeah,
thing.
for sure.
Yeah, I think
It feels like it happened like 10 years ago for some reason. It's all very recent, but it
Yeah.
feels like it happened long back.
so that's why pictures become storytelling.
Exactly,
Like, you
yeah.
know?
And I feel like if Andarkan Tekwa, the bride is the one, like me, I'm the one who's gonna look at these pictures
Right,
even after
yeah.
10 years, 20
True,
years.
true.
I don't think Harivansh is gonna look at them, my mom, nobody. Okkasari చూస్తారు వదిలేస్తారేమో, but I think I'm gonna like look at it
Look at-
every day.
yeah.
So
And that's why we wanted to give you this by your first month
my-
anniversary.
yeah,
And
yeah,
we're
thank
successfully
you.
able to give it. Like we are so particular. No, it has to be within 1 month.
Yeah, it's just so cute. Thank you for this beautiful like gift.
So I think see, photos are all storytelling. I think eventually, see, human mind, we end up we remember the moments and
Yeah.
how happy we are, everything. But what happened, Chuttapakala and everything, I think we end up forgetting how did
Yeah.
that look, how did this look.
Um,
Photos is only one that will take you back to
Yeah.
those days again, those moments, like, let you relive and everything.
yeah.
So coming back from your wedding planning, everything, and coming back to us,
Mhm.
how did vows happen? How did you choose us? And
Yeah.
how did I still remember the first meeting we
Mhm.
had with your sister? How did the whole team thing, planning thing, the shoot, pre-wedding shoot, wedding?
Mhm.
So tell me about it. How did this whole episode start off?
Yeah, so it was my sister who wanted like vows for my wedding. So it was her dream first, and then she rubbed it on me, and then I went to the profile. I'm like really కావాలి. And like I had a straight vision. I want them, and then I showed Harivansh. You guys won't believe I made a whole presentation comparing photographers.
Oh,
I think I should still have it. Yeah, I did that just to prove the point.
Oh
You
my
see, like why I picked them. So I had like an entire presentation that I shared with my in-laws, with my mom, with like what I like about you guys and how I like what. Yeah, I was just being a kid there. In Kaveri వాళ్ళ photographs కూడా పెట్టి okay now see tell me who is the best అని చెప్పి కావాలని కొన్ని bad pictures పెట్టి so I did all of that but yeah, end of the day it worked out. Like it was a journey
you
for me.
were an adamant child when it comes to this. You
Yeah.
have no clue how much she fought with her entire family.
Yeah,
There were meetings with the sales team as well, where it's like, just say okay to whatever.
No,
Say,
yeah.
"We'll talk later." I think, yeah,
Yeah.
you were fighting with everybody that you were. I want this, I want this, I want this.
Yeah, ante I had my vision straight and I just wanted to make it
Auntie
work.
కూడా అదే చెప్పు.
That's it. So I think you have to, as a bride,
Right.
you can't just say, oh, sorry for everything. Then you're going to be very upset if you do that. If you need something, say why you need it and convince them. Do everything to get it.
Yes. Yeah.
As a bride, I think that's one thing you
Yeah.
should do.
That-
Don't
yeah.
compromise like for other people.
Hmm.
So yeah. I'm happy. So here I am, and I'm so happy with my pictures and
The
everything.
reason that we wanted you to do this episode is, Monica. See, according to me, you're one of those very organized brides. Not just organized, but you had a vision. You knew what you wanted. You were ready to experiment, plan things, and then fight with everybody to get what you want.
Yeah.
You were clear on few things, not everything. అన్నిటికీ నాకు ఇదే కావాలి.
Yeah.
No, I remember very clearly that you wanted this look for your wedding.
Mhm.
You wanted us only.
Yeah.
Like yeah, I'm like we also want this guy.
Yeah.
And also I think you're the perfect example of a ideal bride. Not just because you had a vision of what you wanted. You were very clear of, okay, ఇది అవ్వకపోతే అవ్వలేదు, ఇది అవ్వకపోతే అది
Yeah.
లేదా ఏది okay, done. Cool, okay. But let me just give it a try. And then you did not take it on your head. You were one of the very few brides who enjoyed their wedding every single moment. And I love such brides. I
Yeah.
talk to so many brides kada.
Mhm.
Wedding కెళ్ళే ముందు how are you feeling అంటే there are few brides who say it's nice, it's nice, I feel
Yeah.
like I'm walking to my birthday party. Like,
Yeah.
I love such brides.
Yeah.
I love who's like ఖాళీ ఏం రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ లేకుండా
అంతే.
ప్రశాంతంగా walk down the aisle and everything. I love those brides. So how much, that's why I'm saying that you're one of the perfect example for an ideal bride, because ఇన్ని అయినా ఇంత ప్లాన్ చేసినా కొన్ని అవుతాయి.
Mhm.
And how can we be so happy with whatever is happening? How
Yeah.
to live that moment and how to be satisfied there.
Mhm.
Whatever happens, happens. Whatever doesn't happen, it's
Yeah.
okay.
Ante,
And
yeah.
then you knew the meaning of everything, every bit of your wedding.
Yeah.
I think that's more important.
Yeah.
Irrespective of however fancy we get, I think our old traditions, old roots, and all are still there.
Mhm.
You knew
Yeah.
what Jilagara Bella meant for you and
Yeah.
everything. I think most of it. I mean, all brides should be working in a certain way.
Mhm.
Prep their mind before.
Yeah.
Sure, okay, when చేసేసి పక్కన పడేసి
Yeah, that's it. I think you have to prepare your mind as a bride.
True.
And you'll have, I think when you're a bride, you're like a project manager managing so many people. That's how I took this as. And I'll be very honest, getting married is a personality development test for yourself, because you're going to deal with so many
many
people.
people.
And honestly, I got to know myself a lot more during this entire wedding planning. So it's definitely a personality development test. So
New perspective.
and yeah, and I took it that way. So don't stress out, just calm down. If it's not working out, smile. If it's working out, smile. Whatever it is, smile. Photos by yeah. And you should
Yeah.
I feel like bride etlante, it'll show on the groom.
On the groom.
Groom's happiness is the bride.
So
At least Harivansh was happy when I was happy.
Yeah.
And if we both are happy, everybody around us is happy. So it's all about like the bride and the groom, and mainly the bride. So however you portray yourself, that's how the outcome is gonna be in all the events. Like cocktail entry, how do we want to interact with people?
Right.
How do we want to like portray ourselves? Happy couple, confident couple. So we did talk about it before all our events, and we were helping each other, Maybe you should smile a little bit more. Maybe you should like be more confident. So I think as a couple, you should talk about it, because you're showing up together.
True.
So yeah, that was helpful.
Yeah. So how was the whole shoot experience?
Oh, wonderful. I love the team.
Mhm.
Like, team is just amazing. Ante, for me, the main thing was in all the events, I don't want my photographer to come and tell me, be like this, or, oh, akademo undi, akademo. Like, there was no disturbance. That was very important to me. Everything was very natural, very flowy. Ante, వాళ్ళు అసలు ఉన్నట్టు కూడా నాకు అనిపించలేదు, which is the best part. Nobody was fighting with anybody. No. So that our peace of mind undali. Like, if you see two or three people fighting, you as a bride, you're not gonna like it. And I did see that in some of the events where photographers were fighting. So the team was amazing, extremely passionate. And I still remember pre-wedding shoot, we started at 6 a.m. in the morning.
Oh, I remember.
It went till like 1 p.m. అనుకుంటా, 1
Yeah.
to. నాకు లాస్ట్ కి వచ్చేసరికి కొంచెం టైర్డ్ అయిపోయినా. హరివంశ్ వాజ్ స్టిల్ లైక్ ఆన్ రోల్ చేద్దాము అని, అండ్ ఎలీనా వాజ్ ఆన్ ఎవ్రీ ద ఎంటైర్ అండ్ ఐ థింక్ ఐ రిమెంబర్ సిద్ధు కాలింగ్ ఎలీనా వైల్ షీ వాజ్ షూటింగ్ అస్, ఇంకా చాలు, లీవ్ దెమ్ బట్ ఎలీనా వాజ్ నో 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 లాస్ట్ పోజ్ అని షీ వాజ్ స్టిల్ డూయింగ్. సో 6 a.m. నుంచి ఐ థింక్ 2 p.m. వరకు it was the same energy. And I think that's what you want. వాళ్ళని చూసి నాకు మోటివేషన్ వస్తుండే.
మీ డెడికేషన్ చూసి మాకు
It went well. Hand in hand. It was like that for cocktail. It was like that for wedding. అన్ని అంటే నాకు అది ఈవెంట్ లాగా అనిపించలేదు. ఫోటో షూట్ రెడీ అయ్యి couple photo event. So it was like that. So the team was genuinely amazing. I'm very happy.
So because we had lots and lots of prep meetings also, every single day we were texting, having a lot of references, coordinating with every small.
I remember asking you, my nail polish ఏం పెట్టుకో. Like, if I had any doubts, I texted you, hey, what should I do for this part? And then you replied, you were like,
I love doing that.
and you were like very passionate, and ఏదో reply అని కాదు, you were actually thinking about it, and you're like, no, actually do this because this. Like, so that is what is important for a bride. Sometimes you can't make your decisions,
True.
and nobody around you won't.
It'll be very overwhelming also.
Yeah, for sure. So that was a biggest support for me. And I remember on our first call, I was in US.
Yes.
So, బాగా తీస్తారు కదా నేనేమో అడిగితే like అందరి ముందు ఇజ్జత్ పోతుంది ఫొటోస్ బాగా రాస్తే you remember I told you this and then you were like you collar ఎగరేసుకొని తిరగచ్చు ఫోటోస్ అని
Okay, ఎగరేసుకుంటావా?
So I remember you telling a collar ఎగరేసుకొని తిరగచ్చు అని so yeah so I'm very happy with my pictures.
Well, thank you. Thank
Yeah.
you so much. We also had a blast shooting every single event, be it Vratam or the cocktail or the pre-wedding. It's like we thoroughly enjoyed. And you're one of the favorite brides of our team because Monica experiments. She gives time. She's very peaceful. So, you know, peaceful brides are always our favorite.
Yeah. కొంచెం పెళ్లిలో I think టెన్షన్ అయింది అది 10-second tension
Please.
tension I don't know why it was just a little like mixed emotions
Right.
but that also they calm me down they figured out a way to calm me down.
So 100 days of your marriage and your husband is there. You're here. Do you miss him?
I miss him so much. I can't wait to go back.
Where you're going?
Yeah, I can't wait to go back. And I think for us, the wedding, more than the wedding itself, we were excited for like after the wedding, living together, you know, coming home together. So we always like spoke about it, you know, wedding can't take, but like especially Harvansh was very clear, like wedding is not for us.
Okay.
It's for you and for the family.
Mm.
I'm more like excited for after like the wedding.
Okay.
So yeah, like this is the exciting part.
Yeah.
So we're very happy. The oka part I think like this thing is a whole new chapter. Maybe we'll talk about it after 10 minutes again. But yeah, everything is good by God's grace, and I feel very grateful, like extremely grateful.
Again, I'm
Thank
so
you.
so happy for you from the bottom of my heart. And we have something for you.
Okay, ఇంకా something.
Just something. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, can we have a look at what we have?
What was one thing Monica was stressing about during the wedding and that was unnecessary? I think since the beginning, I think Monica has been preparing her mind and trying to do her best. And one of her best decisions she has made is finding the right people for the job to basically trust in with all the tasks we're doing, right? So we got the saris, the photographers, you got a lot of different events going on. And she first figured out what was important to her. And then she went after those specific categories and started to figure out what's really important to her. And she was making sure that those importances are like escalated up front. But overall, I think she did a fantastic job. And I don't know, I think she was a great bride at this point. Yeah, Monica, you got to tell us about what caused you a lot of stress and something you haven't really shared.
All right, so what was the one thing Monica doesn't know about the
Oh, wow, I actually put the effort.
whole wedding, I guess? It's actually about the pre-wedding process, pre-wedding photo shoot. So there was this requirement to get the specific kind of combination of a tux. So I pretty much spent like 72 hours trying to find this. Google searched like crazy, went through different stores. I had to get it tailored, has to fit my size. And there's not the season for it. So it was very difficult to find one. I ended up finding one, but I had to like drive to one store and then drive across the state to another store to find my size. And there's just only one piece left. And then I couldn't get it tailored, so I had to go to another place to get it tailored, all within like the 48 hours. So that was a journey. And it was really fun at the same time. Like I wanted to make sure like I was able to get it done.
Another question I got is what was a favorite moment about the entire wedding process and the wedding in general? I think I remember a specific point at the wedding where we're supposed to look at each other for a long time. And I specifically wanted to remember that moment and how everything felt and / looked. So I really made sure like throughout the whole time, I was like ingraining that in my mind. So I have a very vivid memory as of right now, like what that moment looks like right when we did the Jewel Carabellum and then they opened up the entire curtain for us. So it was a very touching moment. I think that was my favorite part. The question I have is, what is one thing or what are the changes in Monica since she's gotten married? That's a tough one. I think mostly what I've noticed is that now I get to see the other side of her, being more of a wife. So she also is learning to cook a lot of different things and try new dishes. And I get to taste them all, right? The good or the bad. And honestly, they've been really good. So I'm excited to try all that. She's also very focused on building something and trying new things, business wise, or even trying new fitness workouts or all those challenges. And she does tell me all those things. I get to see that side of her. So I feel like after marriage, you get to discover something that's a whole new extension of your partner that you probably haven't seen before. So like, I think that was super exciting. What's one question I wanted to ask Monica? Maybe there's two questions. Who's the funniest? Obviously. It's only one right answer. And then what are some changes you've noticed after getting married? Mainly because we kind of move in together. You also have pretty much have a big lifestyle change compared to me, I feel like. So what are some things and changes you want to describe?
That's okay. I didn't expect that he would do this. He actually told me, Vows texted me,
Oh,
but he didn't tell me why.
okay.
So I was also asking, why did they text you? Because usually I know you all text me if you need something. But he didn't say, oh, I didn't reply to them or something like that. I'm
Okay.
like, no, you should reply to them. But I didn't know like this was it. That's so cute that he actually took time
Yeah,
for
it's
this.
sweetheart by doing all that.
Yeah.
Right.
So to answer his question, funniest, it's him.
Is it?
Yeah.
Not you.
That's what no, it's him.
But then obviously I thought you.
No, it's him. It's him. I don't think he showed the funniest side to anybody, but it's him. And the biggest change was cooking.
Okay.
24 hours cook చేస్తున్నట్టే అనిపిస్తుంది నాకైతే, which I enjoy, that was something I was looking forward to cook for my husband. I
Oh.
can't believe I'm saying my husband. I didn't say that, but my husband.
Nice.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah, Chris. If there is this bride watching this show right now who's about to get married,
Yeah.
what's the one piece of advice that you would give them?
I think actually I have two.
Mhm.
First thing is, if you can, get a shadow for yourself and just delegate everything. You don't have to coordinate your pickups. You don't have to, as a bride, you don't have to do anything. So get a shadow and delegate all those kind of things. And second thing is, wear whatever makes you feel confident. Don't wear something just because someone else is suggesting, although you don't like it. Make sure you're feeling confident, because end of the day, it's you who have to present yourself. And also, like, one more thing is maybe just practice how you're presenting yourself in the
That's
mirror.
Really a good thing to be. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, this might sound very professional, but I think it helps. Like when you're already imagining, okay, this moment I'm gonna like be like this, be confident. I think that's all you need.
You can sink in more.
You can
better.
sink
You
in
can sink
more.
better.
And don't care. Whatever people say, it's all noise. Have your vision straight, have your things straight, and don't listen to the noise around you. Let it be your mom, dad, anything. Just enjoy it. So that's what I would say.
Nice. So to all the brides out there, నేను చెప్తే సరే ఎప్పుడో పెళ్లి చేస్తాను కదా, దానికేం చెప్పడానికి ఈజీగా ఇప్పుడే పెళ్లి చేస్తాను కాబట్టి షీఈ్ ఆల్సో సేయింగ్ ఆల్ దిస్ టు be present and
Yeah.
be peaceful. It makes a lot of sense. So yeah, please
And smile a lot.
smile.
No matter what, smile.
And
Whatever
in
it
the
is.
process of smiling a lot, you'll end up forgetting what was the problem.
Yeah,
But
true,
it
true.
works. It really works.
Anything, smile. Auntie says, "Auntie, yeah, auntie, smile." Yeah, auntie,
అది బాగాలేదు. Smile.
Thank you, auntie. Ante. Just don't take anything to your heart during that time. So yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me.
Yeah, we'll say bye to the cameras.
Thank you for listening to me and my story. So
There's a lot of things to take away from your story.
yeah,
How to
thanks
be
for
a good
having me.
bride, how to be a lazy bride, how to be a Prashantavana bride, how to be a not give a damn bride,
Yeah.
how to stress for 10 seconds bride.
Right. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much.